The COSORI 12-in-1 air fryer toaster oven combo is a versatile kitchen appliance with 12 functions including toast, bagel, pizza, bake, roast, air fry, broil, cookies, rotisserie, dehydrate, ferment, and a warm function for keeping food ready to serve. With a large capacity of 32 quarts or 30 liters, this air fryer toaster oven can comfortably serve 5 to 7 people, fitting a 13-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, or an entire rotisserie chicken. The smart air fryer toaster oven comes with a convection function, which uses a convection fan for fast and even cooking, perfect for rotisserie chicken and achieving crispy results. The package includes a 100 recipe book and 6 accessories such as the crumb tray, fry basket, food tray, wire rack, and rotisserie fork set for more cooking options. The air fryer function allows you to cook your food with up to 85% less oil than traditional deep-fried foods, turning your toaster oven into a healthier cooking alternative. The COSORI 12-in-1 air fryer toaster oven combo operates at a power supply of alternating current 120 volts, 60 Hz, and is rated at 1,800 watts. The voltage only applies to the United States and Canada.